Hi there, dreamers and creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of kids' bunk bed designs. Whether you are revamping a shared bedroom or looking to maximize space, we have got some amazing ideas that your little ones will adore. Before we jump into our design ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We love sharing creative home inspirations with you. Now let's explore some fantastic bunk bed designs that blend fun, function and flair. First up, themed bunk beds. Imagine your child sleeping in a pirate ship or a magical castle every night. These designs not only ignite your child's imagination but also create a whole new world for them. Check out this amazing pirate ship bunk bed that boasts a slide, perfect for adventurous little sailors. Themes can be tailored to your child's interests, whether it's space, dinosaurs, or fairy tale. Personalizing their space makes bedtime something to look further to. Next, let's talk about space-saving solutions. In smaller bedrooms, a lofted bunk bed is an excellent way to maximize floor space. These beds lift the sleeping area off the ground, allowing for functional spaces below. From cozy reading nooks to study areas, the possibilities are endless. Get creative with under bed storage, two thick bins for toys, books, or even a hidden play area. Coming in hot, we have multifunctional bunk beds. These designs features trundle beds for sleepovers or guests, making them a hit for families that love hosting. Some designs even come with built-in drawers and shelves, eliminating the clutter of extra furniture while providing essential storage. Safety is vital. When choosing a bunk bed, features like guardrails and sturdy ladders are crucial for preventing falls. Ensure there's enough space between the top mattress and the ceiling to let your child sit up comfortably. Always choose a bed that meets safety standards and regularly check for any loose screws or wear and tear. Your child's safety is not negotiable. Are you feeling crafty? DIY bunk beds allow you to customize designs to suit your space and style. With some basic woodworking skills, you can create a unique piece that reflects your child's personality. Check out resources online for tutorials and don't forget to involve your child in the process. It's a fun project that can turn into a treasured memory. Now let's not forget about budget. There are wonderful affordable options out there that don't skimp on style or safety. Look for beds with versatile designs that suit different ages. Second-hand shops and online workplaces often have great deals on gently used bunk beds. Just make sure to impact them for quality. To wrap up, you don't have to sacrifice style for functionality when it comes to kids' bunk beds. From theme design to space-saving solutions and DIY projects, there's something for everyone. If you loved these ideas, be sure to like, share, and comment below with your favorite design. What kind of bunk bed would your child love? See you next time for more creative home inspirations.